If you've ever tried to play your favorite music in an old car without Bluetooth, you know exactly how frustrating it can be. That's where Bluetooth FM transmitters come in, turning virtually any car into a connected vehicle. You no longer have to change the factory radio or spend a fortune on a new multimedia system. Today, we're looking at 7 of the best Bluetooth FM transmitters for cars that you can buy right now in Europe. All the links are in the video description, so check them out if any catch your interest. Let's get into it. We start with the Lensen T25. This model features Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast pairing and a stable connection even in urban areas with lots of interference. It offers hands-free calling thanks to 2 microphones with CVC noise cancellation, so calls are clear and echo-free, and the caller's voice is crisp. It also plays music from your phone via Bluetooth or directly from a TF card or USB flash drive up to 64 gigabytes. And it includes a bass boost and stereo effect system to enhance the musical experience. As for charging, it's very complete. A USB Type-C port with 30-watt PD fast charging and a USB Type-A port with 18-watt QC 3.0, meaning you can connect GPS, phone, and music without draining the battery. The screen displays frequency, voltage, and connection mode, although it's small, and the 7-color LED lighting can be distracting if you prefer a discrete dashboard, but it can be adjusted or turned off. Ideal for those looking for functionality and power without spending much. Next is the Sumand, a visual upgrade ideal if you value having more information visible. Its 1.7-inch screen displays frequency, song name, and caller number, which is very handy when someone calls during a trip. It also has hands-free calling with decent sound quality and basic noise cancellation, AUX input and output in case you want to connect external speakers or another device, and it can play from a TF card or USB. For charging, it includes QC 3.0 in one port and a smart USB with 2.4 amps in the other, allowing you to charge 2 devices at a good pace. Although slightly larger in size, it fits well in most dashboards, and the physical buttons are well-defined and easy to use. Ideal if you value a clear visual interface and intuitive physical controls. The Joy Room stands out for its combination of style and performance. It features Bluetooth 5.3, 2 built-in microphones with active noise cancellation, and even bass boost for a deeper musical experience. You can connect your phone, USB, TF card, or AUX, and for charging, it comes with a USB Type-C PD of 30 watts and QC 3.0 of 18 watts, enough to quickly charge phones and tablets. Its RGB LED ring not only decorates but also indicates pairing and charging status, and even shows the song name on the screen. The lights are adjustable, though if you prefer subtle interiors, it might stand out too much. The connection remains stable on highways and city roads, and hands-free calls sound crisp with a microphone that eliminates ambient noise. Perfect for users demanding in sound and aesthetics. The Gizmoine is designed for frequent travelers who prioritize ergonomics and control. It includes Bluetooth 5.0, hands-free calling with good ambient noise cancellation, and playback from USB or TF card with DSP and A2DP technology for latency-free audio. Its big strength is the physical dial. It lets you adjust volume, change frequency, and even pause or play without taking your eyes off the road. It offers a USB Type-C PD of 30 watts and a USB Type-A QC 3.0 of 18 watts for charging, and has a subtle LED ring that shows connection status without being flashy. Although the bass doesn't reach Joy Room levels, the sound remains clean and its compact size makes it very compatible with narrow dashboards. In short, it's the most intuitive and manageable option at the wheel, perfect for those who prefer practicality without sacrificing good charging and playback. Now onto the Mohard, a model that stands out for its robust design and metallic finish. It's designed for those seeking durability and a more premium aesthetic. It features Bluetooth 5.3 with fast and stable pairing and 2 microphones with CVC noise cancellation for clear calls even with the engine running or windows down. For playback, it allows music from a phone, TF card, or USB drive, and has bass boost that significantly improves sound response in cars without a powerful audio system. For charging, it's equipped with a USB Type-C port with 30-watt PD fast charging and a USB Type-A QC 3.0 of 18 watts, giving you flexibility to use it with any type of cable. Its LED ring is adjustable and the screen shows basic info with good contrast. The only downside is its multifunction button, which at first can be a bit confusing since it's used to answer calls, change modes, pause music, and more. But once you get the hang of it, it's very useful. A great option if you value material quality and durable design for everyday use. Then we have the Vorstick, which focuses on simplicity and efficiency. This transmitter is ideal if you want something that always works without lights, big screens, or complicated setups. It has Bluetooth 5.3 for a very stable connection, hands-free with built-in microphone and basic noise cancellation, and lets you play music from your phone, USB drive, or TF card. The sound quality is clean and interference-free, especially if you choose a free FM frequency in your area. For charging, it offers a QC 3.0 USB port and a standard USB Type-A of 5 volts and 2.4 amps. It's true that it's not the fastest at charging, but it's more than enough for phones and accessories. The best thing about this model is its compact size and no-frills design, no annoying lights or unnecessary buttons. Just plug it in, pair your phone, and you're good to go. Ideal for those who want pure functionality without extras. Finally, we have the SYOU, a model that combines the best features of several others. It's designed for those looking for a complete device with good aesthetics and modern features. It includes Bluetooth 5.3, hands-free calling with noise cancellation, bass boost, and compatibility to play music from phone, USB, or TF card. It has an RGB LED ring with 7 colors and 4 lighting modes, which you can customize or turn off as you prefer. In terms of charging, it matches the best on the market. USB Type-C with 30-watt PD fast charging and USB QC 3.0 of 18 watts. It also includes extra functions like vehicle voltage display and automatic charge state detection. Though slightly more expensive than similar models, it makes up for it with a more polished experience, from sound quality to connection stability, plus a compact design that doesn't get in the way on any dashboard. Ideal if you value both performance and visual appeal. So to summarize and help you choose according to your needs, here's a quick guide. If you want an affordable but very complete model, the Lensen T25 is ideal for its good audio quality, effective hands-free, and dual fast charging. If you're interested in having a large screen with lots of visible info and more visual control, go for the Sumand. For those prioritizing more immersive sound, ultra-fast charging, and modern design with customizable LED, Joy Room is a safe bet. If you value driving comfort and like simple physical controls, Gizmoine stands out for its control dial and compact size. Looking for durability and a rugged design? The Mohard offers just that, with a sturdy metal finish and high-level charging power. The Vorstick is perfect if you just want it to work well without distractions. It's small, discreet, and stable. And if you're the type who wants a bit of everything, good sound, adjustable lights, fast charging, and an attractive design, the SYOU has it all. For small or mid-sized cars where space matters, choose between the Lensen T25 or the Vorstick. If you drive long distances and want sound quality and clear calls, Joy Room or SYOU are ideal. And if you need to charge multiple devices while listening to music without complications, both Mohard and Gizmoine do the job well. Remember, all the links are in the video description. If this summary helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which one you're going to try. See you in the next video.